Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach making a multivitamin at home. First, it's absolutely crucial to understand your body's unique nutritional needs and any existing deficiencies you might have. Thorough research into the various forms of vitamins and minerals is essential, as their bioavailability differs greatly. You must also diligently learn about potential interactions between these compounds to avoid any adverse effects or reduced efficacy. Next, sourcing high-quality ingredients is paramount for any homemade formulation. You would need to select pharmaceutical-grade raw vitamin and mineral powders, ensuring they are rigorously free from contaminants and unnecessary fillers. It's vital to verify the purity and potency of each component through reliable suppliers. Also, carefully consider the stability and shelf life of these individual ingredients to maintain their effectiveness over time. Accurately calculating precise dosages for each nutrient is a highly complex and critical step, requiring strict adherence to recommended daily allowances. You would need specialized, high-precision equipment to measure very small quantities of powders with extreme accuracy. Furthermore, deciding on the optimal delivery method, whether it's capsules or a liquid suspension, adds another significant layer of formulation challenge to ensure proper absorption and stability. It is absolutely critical to recognize the significant health risks associated with incorrect nutrient dosages, which can unfortunately lead to toxicity or severe deficiencies. Consulting with a qualified healthcare professional or a compounding pharmacist is strongly advised for expert guidance and safety. Rigorous, independent testing for purity, potency, and overall safety would be absolutely essential before considering any homemade multivitamin for personal consumption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.